Looking to improve communication in your classroom and on campus? Check out our top 3 two-way radio options, good, better, and best, designed for everyday use in schools. Hi everyone, I'm Malcolm Turner, a tech solution specialist here at Wireless Solutions. I'm going to introduce you to 3 great Motorola Solution two-way radios that will help teachers and administrators stay connected on school campuses. We've chosen them based on what we've seen work best in schools. These Motorola Solution two-way radios can help coordinate day-to-day activities between admins, front office, security, maintenance staff, and teachers. They will reduce response times during emergencies and improve overall security for students. Let's get started. First up, let's meet the Curve, a communication solution engineered for schools seeking reliable, straightforward connectivity. Operating on the 900 MHz frequency band, the Curve ensures license-free communication, streamlining operations without regulatory concerns. It supports up to 10 channels, facilitating efficient team coordination. Designed for durability, the Curve meets military 810 standards, ensuring resilience against environmental challenges. With a battery life of up to 16 hours, it provides reliability during both school hours and for after-school activities without the need for midday charging. Its coverage extends up to 350,000 square feet, making it suitable for larger campuses. Next, we have the DTR700, a proprietary radio offering advanced features for dynamic communication needs. Operating on the 900 MHz frequency, the DTR700 provides license-free usage, enhancing operational efficiency. It boasts a battery life of up to 16 hours, so you can rely on it throughout a full school day. The DTR700 is equipped with enhanced call functionality, facilitating direct communication with specific team members. It also features text messaging capabilities and vibrating alerts, keeping personnel informed discreetly and effectively. Built tough, the DTR700 meets military 810 standards, ensuring durability in demanding environments. Its IP54 rating offers protection against dust and wet conditions. The radio supports up to 50 channels, allowing for communication with multiple teams and groups. Finally, we introduced the TLK25, a cutting-edge communication device offering unparalleled flexibility, supporting 4G, LTE, and Wi-Fi calling, giving you unlimited, seamless connectivity. Whether it's for small or large-scale school settings, the TLK25 keeps everyone connected. The TLK25 supports up to 96 channels and 1,000 contacts, accommodating schools with larger communication networks. It features an enhanced virtual assistant with voice command capabilities, streamlining operations and improving efficiency. Designed for versatility, the TLK25 is compatible with any Bluetooth earpiece, offering flexible audio options. Built to handle tough environments, the TLK25 meets military 810 standards and has an IP67 rating, ensuring protection against dust and water submersion. With its optional safeguard package, the TLK25 enhances security with features such as man down fall alert, it's a designated emergency button, lone worker monitoring, and GPS tracking. With a battery life of up to 12 hours, it supports extended use without frequent charging. The TLK25 can be managed remotely via an online portal or mobile app, providing centralized control over devices. While the Curve, DTR700, and TLK25 are the go-to options for schools, Motorola has several other radios that will work great depending on your needs. So before we wrap up, I want to show you 3 honorable mentions for you to consider using in schools. They are the BPR50DX, the CP100D, and the R2. If you want more information on these, contact us with any of your questions. I've shown you 3 great radios, and whether you require the straightforward reliability of the Curve, the advanced features of the DTR700, or the sophisticated flexibility of the TLK25, these radios are designed to meet diverse communication needs. Please feel free to contact us if you need help choosing the right radio for your school. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to all our social channels to stay up to date on the latest products and tips. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.